Hi guys, welcome back to week 3. We are on day number 1, which is a full body push anterior. So this week's day 1, we're going to be doing body squats. The tempo will be 4-1-0, 3 sets of 12 to 15, and then the next move will be push-ups. Tempo will be 3-1-0, 3 sets of 10, and then burpees, 3 sets of 15. So the difference between week 2's day 1 and this week's day 1 is the body weight squats have the tempo, they added the pause at the bottom, and the reps are 12 to 15, and then the push-ups, they also added the pause at the bottom of your push-up, and they lowered the reps to 10, and then the burpees, they added 3 more reps to 15 instead of 12. So disclaimer, I'm not a personal trainer, a fitness coach, fitness professional. I'm not associated with the lockdown workout from Barbell Brigade because that is the workout that we were doing. This is only for entertainment purposes only. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this workout. Also, I'll be modifying a few of the moves because I do have a torn ACL. Okay guys, that concludes week 3, day 1, lockdown workout from Barbell Brigade. Thank you so much for watching. That was a hard one. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on day number 2. Bye!